Hello everyone. Today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key fob using this ProKeyBox kit. This kit is compatible with 2006 to 2010 BMW 5 Series. Compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the original key fob and the programmer tool. If you have your own unprogrammed remote, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. Select Key Program, then press OK. Choose CAS3, then press OK. Choose Key. Keyless, then press OK. Press Push to start ignition once. Then press OK on the programmer tool. Press OK again. Choose Learn Key from the menu, then press OK. Now press Push to start ignition once. Press OK. Choose Status Free, then press OK. Press Exit, then press Push to start ignition once. Then press OK. The programmer will start reading your vehicle data. Here you need to choose your key type. Remote key for keys without comfort access, and keyless go for keys with comfort access. Then press OK. Put the new key in the white coil slot, then press OK. Now press Push to start ignition once. Then press OK and wait for programming to finish. Great programming successful. Insert the key into the vehicle key slot and start the engine. Shut the engine off, then remove the key and the programmer tool. In order for the remote functions to work, open driver door, then start the engine for a few seconds, then shut the engine off and remove the key and close the driver door. Then test the remote buttons. Here, we can see it's working and it's all good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.